Hey my shitties, how are you guys doing today? It is, I don't even have my phone right here. It is the 27th. Yesterday was my mom's birthday, so it is the 27th. I'm giving you guys a slick back bun tutorial today. Don't mind my hair right now. Look a little crazy, but I promise y'all, it's gonna be all worth the wait. I'm gonna just show y'all what I use, and y'all can either go buy the products or don't buy the products. It really doesn't matter. So the first thing I will be using is Eco Style, actually, that's not called styling. And then I have some Pillow Soft, and then I have Mielle or Mielle, however it's pronounced, leave-in conditioner. I know y'all probably laughing because I told y'all these suck, but this is actually not that. This sucks, but I needed to lay down my hair. And then I'll be using some Got2b, and don't mind the way it look, it went through a lot. And then I will be spraying it with this, and of course, you know, you have to have a comb, a brush, scrunchies, whatever. I actually use wide tooth comb because it just combs out my hair better. So the first thing I did was put the top of my hair in the bun, and then the back, I'm gonna put I separated it. Mind you, the part is definitely not straight because it really don't need to be because you're gonna eventually mix. But I just separated the top from the bottom so I can fix the bottom first. Yeah, complete the bottom first. So the first thing I do is put the Eco Style gel, and I really just lay it flatly across it because it doesn't really work. It smells really good though. It doesn't really work, so I don't really use it. When I do, I just put it on the first layer, and then I put the first layer into this tight, with one scrunchie, y'all, to this tight like little bun at the back. And then you see how it's like everything is like laid and everything in the bun. And then I come to the top and I do the same thing to the top, literally the same thing. Of course, I take out my edges, which I do with my edge brush. So you take out the edges you want to have out, of course. And then I do the same thing. I just comb, make sure it's good. And I take it back to where I kind of want to have it at. So like, see how I haven't put any product, but not today. But so then that's when okay, so it should look like this. You have one at the top, one at the bottom. And then you take out the back one. And when you're taking out the back one, you want to keep the top one like in your hands. So when you bring them together, it won't be like, won't mess it up. It won't mess up the top. Even though you're still gonna have to comb and brush through it. So then once you have them two together, let me show y'all from the back. I comb, I grab, and basically you're really just grabbing and combing it. Like that's really all you're doing is grabbing and combing it. And so I usually would do a middle part, but today I'm gonna do no part because I kind of like the no part look. And since I'm doing no part, I need it to be super flat. That's when I'm gonna go in my Got2b. I usually just kind of put it on there because I grab a little and I separate it like that. So always don't overdo it. So now I'm just kind of brushing it back. My hands hurt. If you are a natural hair girl, then you know the struggle of the hands hurting, the arms hurting, things such as that. Okay. So after I do that, I'm just gonna go. I'm let go of the ponytail because I have the exact ponytail I want. And now I'm molding, like, this is the most important part. Molding the top of your hair back to the way you want it. That's also when I come in with my leave-in conditioner. I rub it in, and I mold it back. The leave-in conditioner, low-key, is like one of the best products too to mold your hair. Smells so good, works wonders. And then you grab your ponytail back. See how, like, look at that, y'all. Can y'all see that? Just look how sleek it is. Grab you too tight. See, I specified one earlier because when you finish, you want to grab you two so they can be. See how sleek my hair is now, guys? Get into it, get into it, get into it. I don't know how the bun looks because I'm not really worried about that right now. So then I go into it with my edge control. And your edges are really like your thing. So what I'm gonna do, yeah, I could do them on the camera. I feel like I need to give y'all like an edge tutorial. So then I just kind of go back in, make sure it's flat to the best of my ability. And then at the back, the bun, you open it to where it's like in a ponytail form. I always go in with my Pillow Soft Curl Cream. And I just curl my hair because the way my hair just go from curly to straight, I mean not straight, but like blown out. As soon as I comb it, it's like literally the worst. So yeah, I just play with it, make it tacky, make it as tacky as possible. Make sure your hair is curled. If your hair is naturally straight, then you know how that goes. You can do that bun. But this is like a tutorial for my 4C girls because I actually just cut my hair. So I'm showing like the medium, long. Okay, so once you do that, grab you any type of hair tie. It doesn't have to be whatever. And then you do your bun. And for my bun, I kind of just like for it to look natural with the curls out. So this is all I'm doing. And then you pull your curls out. You always curl them. Like when I say curl them, like I mean always. You know, go into it with your fingers and coil them. So your bun can look like really, really cute. Always, if you have, I like to put my my neck hair. I like to like play with it, curl it. I don't, if I usually want it in the ponytail, I'll brush it up. But I want that to be out today. And then once again, you know, you really do gotta keep brushing. And then after all that is done, I'm gonna put on a bandana to lay it down. And you can lay it down for about, see how it's kind of still. Let me turn that down so y'all can see. So y'all can see it. The details. Get into the details. So now I put a hair tie, a hair, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna use my bandana for about however long you want to. Depends if you have somewhere to go. If you don't, then you know you can leave it really on there until you do. I'm going to leave mine for about until I'm doing something really. Then I come in with this. This is like the most important, not most important, but one of the most important things because using that. So yes, using that is like it is what makes your hair like smell good. That final shine, it really works. Okay. So since I've done that and everything, I'm kind of ready a little early. What is it giving? I know it's giving cute. I just know today's bun is like really, really pretty. So I'm gonna spray this before I even go to do anything else. Let me turn this back up. So yeah. So I'm gonna leave this on for about 20 to 25 minutes and then I'm gonna come back to the camera so y'all can see like, y'all can see this part and the final touches of the bun. Okay, so I came back and I look a little different, but look y'all, look at the sleekness. Look at the sleekness of the bun. Just get into it. Get into how flat it is. Just let me pick this up actually. Get into it. Get into it. After I would take the bandana or hair wrap off, then I would just spray it with the spray. And that is it. That is literally how I get my bun. Like, I hope y'all actually enjoyed that because I enjoy filming that. I might do some more. What do y'all think about more natural hair videos? Like, I wear my natural hair. Y'all might not see it as much, but I do wear my natural hair, but it be regular. But still, I can definitely do some looks. Let me know what y'all think, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah.